What's up, team? Do you ever get that sinking feeling on a Monday morning when you open your calendar? It's already packed, you have a to-do list a mile long, and the mental energy required to figure out what to do and when is just overwhelming. If you nodded your head, then this review is for you. We're taking an in-depth look at Flowsavvy AI, the self-proclaimed AI schedule for personal productivity, designed to take that mental load off your shoulders. We'll explore exactly how it works, its key features, and most importantly, its pros and cons. Stick around to find out if this is the tool you've been searching for. Alright, so what exactly is Flowsavvy? At its core, it's an auto-scheduling AI assistant that takes your tasks, considers your priorities and deadlines, and automatically plans them into your calendar. You give it your to-do list, and it gives you a structured schedule in seconds, aiming to ensure you hit all your deadlines. Life happens, right? When plans change, Flowsavvy can automatically reschedule your tasks for you. No more spending 15 minutes manually dragging calendar blocks around. If you get behind, you just hit recalculate, and it instantly finds new time slots for those missed tasks. It promises to work like a regular calendar, but with an AI brain keeping you in control. You can easily drag and drop any auto-scheduled task to lock it in a specific time if you want. It handles recurring tasks intelligently, and you can define custom scheduling hours for work, personal time, mornings or evenings to protect your work-life balance. Flowsavvy offers two main plans, Free and Pro. The free plan includes core auto-scheduling features but has limitations, such as only 3 repeating auto-scheduled tasks, 5 lists, 1 set of scheduling hours, and it stores 30 days of task history. The Pro plan, priced at $66.55 per year, unlocks unlimited access to all features. This includes unlimited repeating tasks, priority levels, task dependencies, the ability to sync tasks to external calendars, 8 weeks of auto-scheduling, unlimited lists and scheduling hours, and unlimited history. There are subscription plans, a monthly plan at $49 per month and a yearly plan billed annually at $99 per year, which breaks down to $8.25 per month, both providing 15 million credits per month. The offer emphasizes a limited time deal with a countdown timer, highlighting that the lifetime access is a pay-once, use-forever model with no recurring fees, while the subscriptions allow cancellation anytime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights. User testimonials on the page praise the app for reducing overwhelm and being a must-have tool for organization. The Pro plan can be started with a 7-day free trial. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next review. Catch you